journey so far this morning was exciting, you know, and learning too. What we learn is even to move faster. And we catch what we catch. See the Blue Mountain there. Portland, Port Antonio. Then we have zip line and everything about the place, yeah. Right?
Well, zip line in Blue Mountain, over on the Jamaica Mountain, Blue Mountain side. Which when we reach up the street, when we look across over in the open, we'll see Jamaica Mountain and Blue Mountain. So it's like in the middle section of Jamaica on one side. Yeah.
You know my community now. Jamaica Good Life. The mountain view cliff. Welcome to DA One Stop Mountain View Cliff. See the kingdom there. Jamaica Good Life. So that's the Blue Mountain.
Yes, sir. And Jamaica Mountain in there.
Wow. How often you see this fire sparks? How often you see this?
Well, I see this like every weekend. It's like a peaceful place to take a little journey. Going through the mountain, stop for 5 minutes, then nice little bar down here and stuff. Chill. You still have a nice view, you know. Some chairs up here on the landing. It's nice community, peaceful.
Yeah. Where's the no fire spark? I mean silver.
Down in the south. Ask him down in the south.
Well, that can win road. Go over and out.
Yeah man, it's a view, you know?
Yes, sir.
Yeah man, nice view.
We have a few people to check today.
One.
So we're gonna check in with some old people today, some foundational people like Skipper Robinson, Lisa Robinson, Nurse Robinson. We're gonna check Alton. Yeah man, some of the greatest farmers them really right now in Jamaica. Some man with them stronghold and them strong versatility and good action. That's Mikey that too, you know. Yeah man, respect Mikey.
Yeah man.
Yes I. Yesterday we saw your mom, it was a joy, you know. A blessing, remind us of us, our mother too, you know. Yeah man, respect man.
Jamaica Good Life. This is Randy signing out. Love.
Love it vibes still. Can't I read everything and true well vibes when I return.
No man, everything good.
You see me Steve, I better roll in a cheap car. Now we have an expensive car and it don't make no sense that we have stop every minute. So I go back down the road then. Blessed. Oh, Dan King.
I'm bored.
That's a wood factory inside.
Where are we going now?
So we're going up to NonSuch.
NonSuch.
Yeah man. So we're in the lighter area now. Yeah man.
Beautiful flowers.
All of this is beautiful because No, this is like rainforest. This is pure nature. Pure. So. Yeah, man. Untouched nature. You know, like people live here, but there's a few things that they haven't touched. They came and see it, and they're gonna go and leave it. Yeah.
Wow. You have a room for rent? You better finish it quick.
And some policeman stop you and tell me the same thing to them. Yeah.
Well, know that the people them have a connection.
I love the place and they really would want.
Look there.
You can know, you still can know. And you know,
No.
come kind of you're gone. From certain place.
So this phone number is for my members only. Come and talk to them, me screen them.
YouTube.
Jamaica Good Life.
Yeah.
Me screen them.
Yeah.
Come if me give the whole world, you know, some dirty people will come. And you don't want no dirty people to come. You see me? But that's what I'm going to give you, alright? I love it. Oh Lord, man. You know, sit down on the rest with the umbrella and...
Yeah, nice.
Then when I go come, I go link you, you know. I go come back with alcohol and thing.
Yeah.
You have to find a way to put it on the top.
Alright.
Right?
Yeah, tell me that. That's what you're on top there. You have 3 children now?
Them live here?
No, they're not live
How old are you?
there. Me? My brother and me are 60.
Upon the man is 60, man. Give me the name again.
Joy.
Joy.
Nathaniel and listen.
How long you live here?
You have to call it and you are born and grow up. Just born up at top village and come out at the money and so. So me know them place of France, you get the boy.
People have learned on yourself, sell?
You will get it, but when you want small pieces,
Yeah.
you have to investigate how man did that one place down so in a subdivide it in a year. Just on the same road down further down, but it's over a mile down the road.
Let us use a rich man, you don't know. You know?
You know. The son do construction and otherwise you have them big and tell you. The son if you want a house and enjoy and build it for you.
From scratch.
From scratch. Electrical, plumbing, etc. anything. My son. A complete thing. So give them money to buy the land too.
Eh?
I know learn skill. You want to learn that and you know how to do it.
Them not steal.
No, you know how to
Straight.
do those things.
So if we want to build a local thing and stuff,
Anything you want to do, you contact me.
so we have to reach out to you.
Trying to get it past some parish council or a KFC, see a town, anywhere you want back. You have plenty of people all over Jamaica. If a KFC see a thing done, no problem. You want to build it? No problem. Design? No problem.
I am a builders.
No, start before in there.
Oh, so I'm go university.
You study it.
Yes.
Yeah, skill like
He's a farmer.
You know, yes. Most of lumber cutting you for the one time, but I get all of them time.
You must have your number, man. You're a big people, you know. I have your enough. Yo, man, I tell you, see there? Look at the man, rich man. Wow. So I'm going to give you a piece of the world. I don't want all of them to come. Some big man are going to come in.
No problem.
You see me? Man like Lambert. Oh man. Yes, you know. This is Jamaica Good Life. This is Portland. It's beautiful. Love it. Love it. Look on it, man. See the view there. The Almighty. No people make it the world and them turn for me. Turn around me. Walk around me. Find other people. Them start diss me. And I mind when money me spend for go through and meet them and feed them and take care of them. But the minute them go on up, man screw around there, man. The man have money. But me give them the world. So why me have to give you money when me I give you the world? Okay, man. Okay, White Horse Farm. Okay. No trespassing. A black man on there? Eh?
One white man one boat, him left two different black people cooperated.
A white man on it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah man, white man on it, man, but father and son take it over. Two black man, you know. Which is nice. Him no fight them, he just come when him ready and full of vibes. So him actually enjoy when him make. Him come back all the time and it's still available for him.
What kind of?
So this live spring water that come from a spring up so but then pipe it out from bamboo to pipe. Yeah man. This one. Yeah man, real spring water. That's anybody in this district. A lot faster can pipe out from the spring head. And here is a slavery property, that's a slave house that used to be a Buckmaster house, the one over there. That's my granduncle owning that one now. I'm gonna show you up to this little property where we have a little house. Maybe we should do that after like.
Alright, so calculate all the move on such.
Yes, go. Alright. Yeah, you know. Said it. Yeah man, so this was an era where Nanny and Paul Bogle and martial law overthrow the English and Spanish from conquering us in this island.
I want to sign you with that girl.
No, she's we're not going too far, so we'll come back.
This is NonSuch. Is it spelled NonSuch?
Yes.
So now we hang out with Everton and
Yes,
Sierra.
Yes, sir.
And this is where Mike wanted me to tour.
Yes, sir.
His family and everything. The place is nice and easy. And I'm going to try to cook at the river. NonSuch primary. Yes. Food done yet?
Dan Blue.
The food done?
Oh, no food not going on today.
Why no food not going on today?
We not do cooking here, so man. Only more like doing stuff not going on. No cook, none time at all. Only like when we have family get together.
Me a family.
Okay.
No. Jamaica Good Life. Jamaican people, the nicest people for the world. Jamaicans, when we don't come back home, come up on NonSuch in a Port Antonio.
Go on.
Port Antonio, yeah.
That's all. So we come make the link here. You come link up, you know. You park up. You up? You have time? You up? Alright.
And the lion that.
Yeah, man.
Other man they might come for me.
No man. But you know, the energy is floating with us. We are good people there. And
360 love. Red foot them ready for us. Go over them. Give thanks. And you know some may come. Yes, yes, yes. Right near the spring. You have the charger with the one in there. Get that hold on.
wow. Patrick, tell us that? Respect my brother. Blessed. Alright.
Yes,
Go put down there.
look over here, you know.
Down them thing. We see his stew and that me just tell you just I say we never cook them.
This is the vibe. This is the place. And them have them swing and them like a spring. So the water can drink. The water can drink.
See, we probably would want to find the top of it, like the source. But this actually is a source, you know. Like this is a source itself. See, a river, a stream, ever flow. There's a source of water. So it is a source. Yeah, man.
It's a real energy. That is silver. He's a general, you know, he's a royal warrior, you know. He's a royal.
Yes, sir.
Yes, King.
Yeah, man.
You live on the place.
Yeah, man. That's why I took this on the day.
So you're on him.
Yeah, man, I will charge you, man. All this man have a good charge, you know.
Yeah.
Original man in our place.
Okay.
No stranger, you know. No, man, you know what I mean. That's somebody we used to good, you know.
Live it, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Oh, what you say?
No, that's all. Long time stuff. Yeah, man, what the man, I'm guys.
Everything good?
Yes, man, everything is all good, man. You see, when it comes down to easy vibes now, it seems a little bit easy, but that's easy going, you know. Easy after being a thing, too.
Easy.
So this is Fort
This is
Fort
NonSuch,
Antonio.
Fort Antonio.
Easy. This is how I live. Every day. This is the energy.
Yeah, this is the energy that you don't need to fake. Be happy. This is just being yourself.
So Mike there. Hey Mike, me there a place, you know. Mike, me there a place, man. NonSuch.
Alive.
You're good today. Yeah, man. What the flash?
That's my thing, man.
Tell me how old is that attack? How attack to you?
They are Rose Dark Road.
Alright, you know how old you are? More life, man, of culture, see? Yeah, I hear that too.
Go
I
call
have to
them
hear that,
direct.
I have to hear that. Good night.
Hello, this is Pastor. Please.
Yes, yes, sir. Blessed man. Jamaica Good Life. Feel a breeze. Nice. Nice, man. Not the country, not the hills, you know. Yes, sir.
Mystic.
Yes, sir. It's a blessing, man.
Mystic morning.
So my sister on a real easy. This place make you know
Relax.
different levels.
Yes, sir.
Every day.
Every day, man. The place is just natural feel.
Wow. So this is the real Jamaica Good Life. This is as good as it gets because man them calm.
Yeah, man. Real life.
So how often you cook here with me?
Well, we cook as often as possible.
Here.
You know, everyday life you need to make moves while you're living too, you know.
Yeah.
So maybe you don't see each other every day, but as soon as you get some time, you link up and you make everything look good. Yeah, man, you catch up back for what you've been missing out, man.
Culture.
Yes, man, I don't know.
Yeah man, the culture say no want no fish.
No, no.
Chicken back signature.
Are the real thing that you want more chicken back?
Anything I say, you know.
If I chicken back today,
Yeah,
fish
the line
tomorrow.
are you know. You don't say you know. So.
Because the culture send no fish today.
Yeah, man.
We can run the chicken back.
Why you
today.
talk to him, you know, that's okay. No, you heard you say all again. One word in you say. Like I say, oh, and it says, you want cock in your background. I think that's a word.
You know, man, for hearing thing, you.
Alright.
You want to know? Alright. You're funny thing, you're a roast, then I background.
You remember good.
I mean, my talk, man.
You must see you remember good.
And that's how me hear them, and every time, you know. Yes, yeah, we are so. Where you go, Andy?
Yeah, don't forget. Don't forget.
Get some chicken, man.
Yeah, just forget. Right now, me just tell him, tell Andy, say no and talent to me.
Talent?
Yeah, man. 1 week, you know.
Oh.
So, we have herbs.
No, we don't. But we'll get. We kind of put on somebody else.
Okay, so we need herbs.
This guy talent and not cheap, I see. Anything else you want, deal with it.
See, man, understand.
So you have your season and everything?
Yeah, man. Most
You have
of the
enough
things
season?
out of the round and round out of the bush, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's something something
You
going
have
on.
your rice and your thing and your coconut.
Yeah, well, me nah use no coconut today.
We have to use coconut,
Yeah,
man.
that's it,
We have a coconut in the car.
We coconut every day, you know.
Every day.
Every
Okay,
day,
it's
every day.
alright.
No, man, the car work.
Can't work.
When every day we
Every day.
coconut, everything.
No stress it then, man. Because you know have a blender, so we don't
No,
want to
greater
slow down
than
the thing.
something, man. Do we do? We
Alright,
alright,
Miss
yeah.
Hope.
Alright. You what me I go do now?
Culture, so I'm Randy
Yes, Randy. Culture. you
from
know?
Jamaica Good Life. It's global.
Alright.
And we try to bring the people them back home.
Okay.
So now for them I'll come to meet you.
Alright.
And we'll have a with you.
Alright.
Yeah, man, give
Yeah,
them.
man, you're good, man. Put it. Yeah. I'm feel free up enough. I feel we play. So here.
So how long you live here?
1989. Me move come here, so. Build up one house and that burn down. Burn down with me in there too.
Eh?
Yeah. Then me build up another one about 97. And the one that wash me, hurricane and flood. Why that is the thing? So we decided to go like higher in the air now.
Yeah.
Because everything was on the flat. So after them 2 disasters, then we decided to come like higher now. And this is my 3rd time.
Wow. I love the place, man. This
Yeah.
is the culture.
I get a
Culture
real
kick.
fire. I wake up in a fire one night and I just jump out. And from me jump out, I stand up and watch the whole place burn down. Yeah, man. And that are the 1994. 1994.
Wow.
But I love that little place. I say, so you don't care where I go, I don't care what I do, I still have to come back.
Mhm.
To that place and then something I love them places. Jackfruit,
Yes, sir.
biggest
Good
fruit in Jamaica.
Yes, yes. I'm from Manchester, so
Manchester.
I could cut it. Man.
Yeah, I could be a one of them cut from man in
Eh?
there.
So this one land, yeah, camp out, man.
If a mile and I'm going to build up the business place.
You bought this land?
Yes.
You bought it?
Bought this land 1990. Pay for this land 1990.
So once you build a place, we can help you to rent it.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
That's the kind. This is the kind of link we need.
Respect you. Well, and just go to the second coconut tree.
The second one.
Yeah.
I have to see. So we can build our Jamaica Good Life hut right here.
Yeah, what a land, you know.
Eh?
Yeah, but they were like this place, you know.
You have a place with all of them with rivers, springs.
No. But in another region, you know, like to come back.
So this is up until here.
My premises stop right here. Right across.
And you own the water.
I call it that.
This is a second Rasta man. We want to set up a base in Westmoreland. We want to set up on Port
Yeah.
Antonio. And I set up on a St. Mary, I set up on a Manchester and a Negril.
I like that. I like that. I like that.
And it's all Jamaica Good Life basis.
I know I'm famous river this too, you know.
What is the river name?
Well, this is gonna be over name. Yeah, you mean Turtle Cross River. But the fame where it really have no come from the falls. We have a falls on the river there.
Oh, that's Secret Falls.
It's the highest waterfall in the Western Hemisphere. None in America higher than it.
And enough people don't know about it.
No. Me highlight it to the world by bringing television people down there and so.
Mm-hmm.
And then put it on television and internet and so right now. Me almost soon can go down there again. Because some rich man come and buy the property and join into the fall.
Mm-hmm.
And then start make up some little villa. Then I'll tell them I make 26 villas and develop tourism come up. So you know the panel here to leave here today.
All day. I'm
Alright,
there with you.
that's cool. Now I'll show you something.
All day I'm there. That's
Yeah,
why I
man.
came.
Yeah, man.
I want to show Jamaicans abroad. Put it like this. We're not into the land owning thing. We're into the partnership thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Jamaica Good Life. Once our camp go up, people come to our camp for you cook for them and them go pay you. Once your house done.
Okay. Yeah.
So my partner up in Westmoreland,
Yeah.
St. Mary. This is what your wealth is. This.
Yeah.
And you own this.
Yes, man.
Okay. That means our camp can go right just so.
Yes, man.
And when we send people here, they're coming by the hundreds. Because we're setting up a network of rentals where the local them benefit. So why me have to buy land when we can partner up with you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Put up the structure. When we now rent it, you rent it.
Yeah. Me understand exactly. Yeah.
So this is going to be Jamaica Good Life
That's a good
camps.
Good something.
I like it.
Good move that. Good move that.
Quick. Put up a cabin and protect it.
And you know my brother long time?
Mike,
Yeah.
watch me show and realize what I do.
Alright.
And them say you're right.
You know him that tell me something like this the last time he was here, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, he tell me. Not exact, but similar, you know?
Me and him are going to combine powers to do something. Because now you have the land, you have the energy, you have the spirit.
Yeah.
We now if you own everything ourselves, we have to work together.
Yeah.
Because if them buy out the place down there, so where them I go buy out next?
Anything we then can get for buy. If we know smart right now, we going to become tenants in our community. Because they must sell out everything and rent to back a place to live.
Yeah.
And that's something I try if that not happen to me.
Yeah.
Me know want that happen to my community. That trade.
Mm-hmm.
That trade. So me have one next piece of land down the road there.
Nice.
Yeah man. Bigger land you know. Big. From about past this house and way down the road there. Me did that look sale for that land where there.
How much for it?
It's 3.5 acres and with it and they would say 4 million for it.
Mm-hmm.
For share for me and my brother.
Good. So once you sell it, you just get...
Then mother just focus on this.
Building that.
Yes.
I want to see it now.
Yeah, we can do it even though we can do it.
I want to see it.
Let me take up them banana, my friend.
Do what you're doing now, man. Just a follow you.
Yeah.
So you have mangoes and...
So what's up? Aki, mango, jackfruit, star apple, potiti apple, June plum, everything almost the right. Grapefruit.
What's your number?
My telephone number? Up on the door. Me don't know it in my head.
Okay, no stress. This is Culture Yard. This is Randy on this one. So what we want to try to do is we have Jamaica Good Life team up with different local people to set up our cabins. Interview the world know.
Blessed Jamaica Good Life again. Yes, Randy special. Yes, I. Yeah, man. Thank you for making it possible, man. And Siva there, Siva all the time, he make everything work, you know. We love the idea. Yeah, man. And this is Major in the mountain of NonSuch, Port Antonio. Seems sharpening the machete, original Bushman, etc. With Dada, as you know him, Sizzla Kalonji. In power with him, everybody know we're strong. Everybody have a versatility, but in real Jamaica, everybody starts from a process of farming because it's our roots. We hold on to this culture, we don't let it go. So no matter what we do, even after the music or during the music, we still plant a few things or however what we do things, but we always have a vibration that keeps the whole entire thing together. So just call it music. Yeah, respect. Say something major, make them know your phone number and something.
See it, yeah man, so you're going on Major himself, you know. Real bushman, you know. Yeah man, at the hills, you know. So we try, you know, right now, I shot me last, going at the hills, you know. Because I say things that, you know. At the same time, virgin they are going to put on a pot, you know. So what? When we done now, we are going on the fall, you know.
Yes, sir.
We don't really know about NonSuch fall, you know. It's like ice fall at Jamaica. You see me? We're not going to believe it. Like ice fall is where we go up on the time we done, you know. We're going to really see NonSuch it there, you know. Original player.
Respect.
Falling
Jamaica
it
Good
name.
Life.
Original falling.
Yes, sir.
Yeah man. Real fall, you know. And the ice falls of Jamaica.